Hi Excelos, can you please help me out with the VLOOKUP formula, but not in a traditional way. I need a new way of doing the VLOOKUP formula. Yeah, sure, I can help you out with that. But could you please explain your problem in detail? Yeah, sure, let me just present my screen. So as you can see, I have an agent name in column F. Now I need the sales for all these agents from this particular data. Now the problem is, if I need to get the sales for the Bobo, I have to type here the VLOOKUP, then this particular cell, and then the complete range, and then 3,0 to get the sales of this particular agent. Now if I need the sales for all these people, I have to drag this particular formula, then I need the sales, right? But this is one of the traditional way. Can you show me some new way of doing that one? Yes, definitely I can. So let me help you out with that. So now instead of using the VLOOKUP formula, you have to use a array formula, then type VLOOKUP, then select this complete range, and then you have to select your complete range of data where you are looking for the value, and then 3,0, and then just press the enter. Now you can see the magic of this array formula. I hope I have solved your problem. Yes, definitely. So now you can just subscribe my channel and hit a like button. Thank you so much for watching.